Hi everyone, this is Dr. Paul here, and I am showing you right now in front of me how to make a Finke remedy. Now, this is like the perfect thing. All you do is you just get a little vial, and you just drip, make sure the water drips like this, and so it's kind of that, and it makes the remedy more powerful. And you just do it for a certain amount of time. Now, if you have got a remedy that's pills, you can use a vial like this, you can use a shot glass, you can use like a teacup or a cup of any kind, it'll still work. And if you've got a liquid remedy in a little dropper bottle, you can just use the dropper bottle directly. Now, if I tell you to do this, I'll tell you to do it for like an hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Just use a timer and make sure that this happens. All right? Very simple. Hope you guys are having a good day. Take care. Bye.